Sonic Screwdriver. We're Sonic Screwdriver.
We are Sonic Screwdriver.
You guys maybe haven't heard of us because you guys are. There's like you guys like outside circle. There's kind of like an inside circle.
We're the inside circle.
We're bigger on the inside.
We're pretty much bigger on the inside.
It's pretty much. You guys don't. We're bigger.
Get it?
Like a TARDIS.
TARDIS.
We're bigger on the inside. Okay, so anyway, first song.
Here's the place to start.
Here's the first song that we made. Here's the first song that we made.
You know.
So I have a question for you guys. Do you guys know when adults tell you that it's going to be alright, when everything's going to be alright, but you know it really isn't?
Nice. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Everything's going to be alright.
Believe me for 20 minutes.